Hey everybody, welcome back. I just finished this beautiful build, these rustic farmhouse concealment tables with the shadow box top. The tables all have RFID locks and motion activated lights. The big table has a RFID lock, but it's a fingerprint scanner. I just finished these up for a customer. I'm very happy with the way they turned out. I love that color very much. It looks absolutely beautiful. As some of you seen in my other build, you saw the process of me building this shadow box table and what it all comes to. As you can see, the tables are open up, very concealed. This shadow box, it lifts up. The lid goes all the way up. There's two locking mechanisms, the fingerprint scanner, and the other one is that handle you see right there, right here. You lower that down, and I got a handmade lock in there. You can go check my other video for the best homemade lock ever. This top slides out all the way out 28 inches. I'm not going to open it any further, but it's got some goodies in there. And again, I absolutely love this color. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. I love the X braces. I had the hardest time, but I came up with the greatest idea to make those X braces. So they're both one piece. But as you can see, there's a lot of room inside them tables. Let me know what you guys think. Drop me a comment. If you guys have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer to them. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Again, this is my first time doing a big build like this. There's a couple other projects of concealment flags. If anybody's interested and seen the build, I'll be more than happy to do one for you guys. These are available. Shipping is available in the United States. Again, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Have a great day, everybody.